The following is an overview of the registration process for the MyLibraryNYC Union Catalog. Over the next few minutes, we will show how educators at participating schools can register their new library cards and take a look at the basic features of the site. Additional tutorials will explore searching the catalog and placing requests for materials from the public library. Let's begin now. From MyLibraryNYC.org, you can access your school library's catalog, find out more about the collaboration between the Department of Education and New York City's public libraries, read the latest news and updates on the pilot, and learn who to contact for additional information and support. Note that we will be using a school served by the New York Public Library for this demo, but the process for schools in Brooklyn and Queens won't be that much different. To jump to your school library's catalog, select the borough in which your school is located from the drop-down menu. Then, enter the name of your school. It should autocomplete as you type. When your school name has been entered, click the Visit Website button. As an alternative to MyLibraryNYC.org, you can navigate directly to your school library's catalog page. In most cases, the URL will be your 4-character school code followed by bibliocommons.com. For example, m108.bibliocommons.com. Things are a little different for campus schools, so ask your librarian for details. Once here, you can bookmark this page or share the link with your students and colleagues. If you are visiting the catalog for the first time, the first thing that you will need to do is set up your account. To begin that process, click Login at the top right of your screen. To log into your account and view your checkouts, requests, and other information, you can enter your library card number or username and your 4-digit numeric PIN in the field shown. However, if you have not already done so, you'll first need to set up your account. Click the link to sign up with your New York City Public Libraries card. You will be prompted to enter your Educator library card number. Enter all 14 digits with no spaces. You will also need to enter a PIN. The default PIN for all educators new to the pilot this year is 2012. You can change it to something more personal once your account is set up. Enter this information and click Next to continue. The next step in the process checks against your school library's ILS and that of the public library for the validity of your card. Click Next to continue. You'll then be prompted to create a username. We suggest keeping it simple, such as a combination of your first and last name and school, so it's easily recognized by your students and colleagues. Enter an email address to confirm your registration. You're next prompted to enter a password here. For now, just enter 2012 again. Scroll to the bottom of the screen beyond the basic guidelines for using the site, after reading them of course, and click Register. And you've successfully registered your account. Your library card was preloaded into one or more public library systems. If you are an educator employed at a school in the Bronx, Manhattan, or Staten Island, you are registered with the New York Public Library. If you are in either Brooklyn or Queens, you are registered with the public library system in that borough and the New York Public Library. The Union Catalog should recognize this and alert you once you've registered your card. Note that when you are logged into the catalog, your username displays at the top of the page. If you are using a shared or public PC, don't forget to click Log Out when you are finished using the catalog. Whenever you log in after you've initially registered your card, you will be taken to your school library's landing page. From here, you can perform a search for items available at your school, expand your search to include materials from your public library's collection, and manage several aspects of your account. The tab on the far left, here displayed as My M108, is how you can view your current checkouts, holds, and fines, as well as messages from both your school and public library. Let's take a look. You will have the option to view account activity at both your school and public library. Here, we'll take a look at My NYPL borrowing. Note that you are informed that you're being taken to the catalog of the public library serving your school. Click OK to continue. Here, you have a number of viewing options. They'll be explored in greater detail in a future tutorial on managing your account, but include your checkouts, holds, and fines, among others. Item information displayed on each page is typically sortable and can be managed using checkboxes and buttons. Before we move on, let's take a look at the Library Messages tab. Here, both your school and public library may share important information on your account. Take note of any new messages whenever you log in. To quickly navigate between your school and public library catalogs, select them from the drop-down menu at the top of the page. That's it for now. Keep an eye out for future tutorials on managing your account, searching the catalog, placing holds, and creating and sharing content through the catalog. Thanks for watching.